We are so glad that we can finally address you live from the Garden Tourism Festival at Delhi.
The 34th Garden Tourism Festival is organized by Delhi Tourism in collaboration with Delhi government. This is happening at Garden of Five Senses, Saket.
It's almost a year that we are in such a crowded place with people around us, such a huge footfall. You can see this 4 roses, so that gives you a glimpse of what to expect inside. This is something as fresh as these flowers, and that we can bring to you live, and it's on for a long time, about 3 weeks. So yeah, you have enough time to come and visit this place and be a part of this spring festival.
And just to add to what Vedabrata said earlier, it used to happen for 3 days. So this is a very special Garden Tourism Festival. This time it's happening for 3 whole weeks. So you have enough time to actually come and be a part of this festival.
And we are carrying our masks.
Yes,
We're carrying our masks.
do carry your
wearing
mask.
them as well. It's just for the recording, just for speaking
Yes.
on camera that we removed our masks.
Yeah, and we
So,
want
yeah.
you to see our beautiful faces. Very happy faces after a long time.
Yeah, happy faces.
Yeah. Finally, spring is here and winter is on its way out, and we are here at Garden of Five Senses with a spring in our steps. We are very happy that finally we are doing something again, and a very colorful festival. You are like getting close to the nature.
Garden of Five Senses is an attraction of Delhi. It's a Delhi tourism project. So it evokes a lot of excitement. It has a lot of installations and replicas and little statues. So I mean, in addition to the flora and fauna, the plants and trees and flowers, it has a lot of these permanent exhibits. You can come and see them anytime. In lieu of the garden festival, they have got fresh plants, a lot of fancy flowers. They've got a huge section of plants being sold, garden equipments being sold, and flower installations. So that is only here for these 3 weeks. That apart, this otherwise is also a very attractive, very cool place to do during spring or winter or whatever, before summer, because it's all outdoors.
The theme of Garden Tourism Festival this year is Colors of Nature, and they are actually using a hashtag Colors of Nature, and it's a 22-acre area of Garden of Five Senses, and so it's very easy to maintain social distancing if you want to. They have around 50,000 varieties of flowering plants here at Garden of Five Senses for this Garden Tourism Festival. The tickets are 40 rupees on weekdays and 50 rupees on weekends, and for senior citizens it's 40 rupees any day of the week. And they do have QR codes at the entry, so you can simply scan the code and pay it online. So this is actually a no-touch experience. The dates of Garden Tourism Festival 2021 are from 19th February till 13th March. Timings for Garden Tourism Festival are 11 AM to 6 PM on weekdays and 11 AM to 7:30 on weekends. And the nearest metro station is on Yellow Line, Saket Metro Station. They have a free shuttle service from metro station to Garden of Five Senses as well.
As part of Garden Tourism Festival, you can visit their annual garden bazaar, where they are selling saplings and plants and gardening equipment and organic items and compost and all that. There's also a food court with a variety of cuisines from all over India.
This is quite a family kind of place and family kind of festival. So there's a lot of stuff for kids. They have swings here. They have selfie zones. So the moment we entered, this whole area was like a full-blown selfie zone. So they had India Gate made of flowers. They had giraffe made of flowers. Some elephants and peacock and whatnot. A lot of stuff for families. It's a good place for families to hang out together.
These beautiful swatches of Banarasi drew our attention, and then we read the explanation. This is in honor of Saint Kabir, and Saint Kabir was a weaver. So this is in ode to him. This is how the weaver community of India is paying respect to Mother Nature through handloom.
We just saw a separate enclosure where they kept a lot of bonsai. There's another enclosure in the other side of the garden where they have kept a lot of stuff made from waste material. So they have planters made of used old worn out tires, and they have dustbins, minion shaped dustbins, and there's a very cute ballerina doll kind of structure that is made of used bottles and junk material. Also, we would advise you to come a little early during the day so that you can actually see the colors of flowers and the colors of this whole festival. But stay till the evening so that you can see the Garden of Five Senses illuminated with these fairy lights. So they have these fairy lights all over, from inside till the outside, on plants and trees, and all these structures are well illuminated with fairy lights. It looks magical, almost surreal, very festive.
You can also watch some cultural performances as part of the Garden Tourism Festival. If you have liked this video, please share this and do leave a comment. Also do subscribe to our channel, and please do not forget to press the bell icon for updates on our new videos.